Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your LG Velvet, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, and right here you have to get application of the name Clone It. It's really easy to use and totally free, so it's very worth to get it. And if you got this application on your LG Velvet, you have to click open. And of course on the second smartphone we have to get it also and open it. You have to accept all of the permission right here. If you got any notification, click sender on your Android phone, tap set, turn on location, and then just go back and click sender one more time. Okay, there's some kind of bug, so let's close this application and open it one more time. Click here sender and receiver on your LG, click all the time, and here we have to also turn on location, go back. Oh, and as you can see here, we are back on the settings, not on our application. So we have to open the background apps and switch for our Clone It application. Click receiver and tap search again. Right now, just wait a little bit. Click on this Android share icon. And right now, if you want to connect, you can do this in the two ways. We can scan this code, but also we can input the password manually. So you have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. Let's open the Wi-Fi, open here, and tap on the Android share icon to connect. Because it was too long, here we have to accept the request. Click OK, and then just go back to the application. And right now, if you want to send all of the data, you have to click on all of these icons and then just tap start. But if you want to get some details, you have to go right here. And I'm going to show you how it looks. For example, on the music, I can take these two songs and I'm going to unselect other stuff here. Click start, OK. And as you can see, it's finished. So right now we can just go for our files and check where it is. And I think that it will be here in the audio. And yes, right here we got our two songs that we sent from our Android smartphone. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!